Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on October the 1st, when the price of this asset was at pre-market hours, as you can see, at $7.05. And my main assumption at this very point was that we have to retest this range of resistance at $7.35. And depending on the price action right after this retest, we might anticipate its next movement. And if this asset breaks this range to the upside, in this case, our next price target should be $8.46. Otherwise, if we have a rejection out of this range, we have to retest $6.05. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, we are on NIO actual price action on a daily time frame, and we retested this range of resistance, as you can see, that I mentioned on my previous video, at $7.35. We had a rejection and we basically hit the price target of $6.05. And I have to say that this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer. For now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one trading for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that with this rejection, we can anticipate that the top of our third wave was right here. Definitely it is not enough for the classical impulsive wave that should hit 1.618 extension. But so far, we potentially might have this as our ranges, this is our breakdown. And more details I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. Why this asset is moving south. And here is the article that pretty much explains it. It was published on October the 8th, and it's titled, Why NIO Stock Slumped 10% Today? And key points are following. China announced a stimulus package last week, but investors expected more today. By the way, they announced it on September 23rd, right here. And right after this announcement, the price of NIO skyrocketed for more than 40%. And it was quite anticipated movement of this relief. Next bullet point is right here. They were disappointed and stocks like NIO tanked. NIO, however, is focused on the boosting deliveries, margins and new launches. So guys, right after Chinese Communist Party didn't announce any new stimulus packages after the September 24th announcement, NIO has this decrease in its price, and for now it is hovering around this range of support. For now it is another crucial point, because I marked this range back in the days and it works perfectly well. But let me show you the news that could be a catalyst for NIO. If you take a look on the list of titles for NIO on cnvpost.com, you can see a lot of bullish titles. NIO to reach 600,000 car delivery milestone on October 11th. So they have to hit this target today. Next one, NIO to launch third brand Firefly on December 21st at NIO Day 2024. Another quite good news. Next one, China EV insurance registrations for week ending October the 6th. NIO registered 4.5 thousand vehicles. On top of that, NIO SYVN from JV NIO MENA to tap Middle East and North Africa markets. This means they can drastically increase the capacity of their total addressable market. Another quite bullish news, NIO sees second highest ever deliveries in September as onward starts contributing to volume. And guys, I have to say that all of these news are extremely bullish on NIO, And I have to admit that with the support of Chinese Communist Party, basically not the support, but the lack of crackdown news from Chinese Communist Party might also lead to much higher prices for NIO. And NIO by itself has quite good numbers in general. As you can see, this is the NIO monthly deliveries, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row they delivered more than 20,000 vehicles. For now, for October, I have some doubts that they might hold this line, but everything we will see in upcoming weeks and months. And if they hold this line above 20,000 vehicles, they will reach their target to deliver more than 200,000 vehicles this year. And definitely a new sub-brand Onvo might contribute a lot of vehicles to this number. As you can see, this is new deliveries compared to Onvo, and right here we have tiny bar of Onvo sales because they just started to do it. And in general, the more sub-brands NIO has, and you know that NIO is some kind of luxury brand among the entire lineup of NIO's brands, and Onvo is the second brand in this hierarchy. And the third one is Firefly. And let me show you that somewhere here. Yes, the third brand is Firefly. It is the cheapest and the most affordable brand. And on the one hand, this type of vehicles for lower segments of the market have much lower gross margin. But with the huge number of sales, that might definitely be a good add-on to the entire intrinsic value of NIO brand. And that is why, guys, NIO is quite bullish from the fundamental standpoint. Definitely it is the long-term goals for NIO, but in general, from the technical standpoint, we also might see a trend reversal. I mean, from downtrend to the uptrend. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's delete unnecessary tool and let's do some measurements for this third wave. If I pull the Fib retracement tool from the bottom to the top, take a look what do we have right here. We'll pretty much hit the most probable range of trend reversal. It is the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.618 and 0.65. And for now, it is in between $5.9 and $5.99. And we have first reaction out of this range. And if this range holds, guys, we have to see the breakout above its previous swing high. And in this case, let's do another measurement. If I pull Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, here is the range that NIO might hit if it breaks the top of the third wave at $7.77. It is $8.19, and from the current price, we might have, let me show you like this, we are at $6.10 range right now, and from this range, it might have up to 35% of upside potential with a downside potential of about 3.85%. So almost 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio is quite lucrative. And if this asset breaks the bottom of this range, the $5.9 mark, definitely we might see lower price targets and longer consolidation phase. But so far, this setup is quite lucrative, and I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.